Hi all, the first peak of Durmitor Traverse for Via Dinarica Croatia member. This is Prutaš, 2393 meters. After quite a steep hour-and-a-half climb, ascent, better say, through from that valley down there over the Scree and here. I enjoyed very nice views. You can see the canyon of Tara River down there. This is Todorov Do, the valley where I started. And this is the view to the famous Soa Nebeska, or the sky wall, thought to, in the mythology of Greeks, it's thought to be one of the pillars that hold the heaven. So let's hope I won't ascend to heaven from that wall. Via Dinarica Croatia says big hi to our Montenegrin friends. You have some great mountains here.